EFT or tapping is an amazing tool, and certainly applying it in younger age groups is a perfect opportunity to teach children how to self-regulate their feelings.
Student wellbeing, it's a growing industry, and it's something that is really important to student learning. So we're looking to offer students a variety of tools so that they can choose what they feel comfortable with, but also so they have more than one strategy to go to cope with stress, to help them with their worries, and to ensure that they're calm and ready for their studies and for their life to be well and happy young people.
At the end of the year, we're going to be given an OP that sort of defines our schooling life. But yeah, I'm a bit anxious about that.
Obviously, young people are going through a variety of changes, so social issues are often things that they find hard to deal with. Stresses around exams and assessment with school, and young people reflect what society's dealing with. You know, they're really busy, they've got lots of commitments going on, they're trying to manage a variety of things, so often they can cope with one or two of those things at a time. But as term goes through and assessment comes up, you know, maybe they've got some family stress or other things happening, a few of those things hit at once and they start to struggle a little bit, and, you know, hopefully they reach out for help at those times.
I think it does calm you down, de-stress you.
EFT or tapping uses a tapping process using 2 fingers on certain pressure points. Some of them are on the face and the top half of the body. We've now had decades of research behind EFT for things like stress, anxiety, worry, even things like pain, weight loss, phobias, and certainly the big things like post-traumatic stress disorder. So this tapping technique, to date, we know, affects certain parts of the brain that send out that stress response.
So we always use tapping in our morning circle. We'll start the day with some kind of visual activity, usually a story, those kind of things, and then we'll do some tapping just to really connect them, ground them for the day. The biggest thing that we see would be separation anxiety, so that's really where we find that tapping works so well. Sometimes separating at this age, because we're between 3 to 5 in our programs, we find that they're not so focused on other emotions, school age emotions, but they definitely have those separation issues. So that's where we find tapping really calms them down, and it actually helps them for the next time that they go to separate. If they've done some tapping, they usually calm down a lot quicker.
If we can empower children to be their own managers of their emotions in a way, that they'll grow up to be really happy, positive people without the layers of negativities that we tend to layer down in our young lives.